how to form the differential equation. So what is the working rule means? First, write down the given equation, differentiate the given equation with respect to independent variable x as many times as the number of arbitrary constants. In the given equation, for suppose there are three arbitrary constants, so we have to do 3 times differentiation. Okay. And third point, eliminate the arbitrary constants from given equation and the equation obtained by differentiation. Okay. Now, for suppose these are the shortcut methods. General solution of y is equal to a1 into e power alpha 1x plus a2 into e power alpha 2x. This is the given equation. There are two arbitrary constants. How to form the differential equation? This is the shortcut method. Y2 minus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 into y1 plus alpha 1 alpha 2 into y is equal to 0. So here you have to think alpha 1 comma alpha 2 are roots of the polynomial equation. How to form the polynomial equation? You know very well. Here y2 minus s1 into y1. S1 means sum of the roots now. S2 means product of the roots is equal to 0. You can remember like this. And see the third polynomial, second equation, y is equal to a1 into e power alpha 1x plus a2 into e power alpha 2x plus a3 into e power alpha 3x. Here a1, a2, a3 are arbitrary constants. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 values, just observe that those are also constant. How to form the differential equation? Y2 means what? D square y by dx square. Y3 means d cube y by dx cube. Remember it, students. Now this is, you can remember like this, y3 minus s1 into y2 plus s2 into y1 minus s3 into y, that is equal to 0. What is s1? Sum of the roots. What is s2? Sum of product of the roots taken two at a time. What is s3? Product of the roots. So you can remember like this. This is a shortcut formula. Okay. Now, for suppose y is equal to e power alpha x into a1 cos beta x plus a2 sin beta x. Here a1 and a2 are two arbitrary constants. So we need to do 2 times differentiation and eliminate the arbitrary constants. Now what is the shortcut method means? Y2 minus 2 alpha y1 plus alpha square plus beta square into y is equal to 0. This is a shortcut method. And fourth one, y is equal to a1 into x power m plus a2 into x power n. This is the given equation. And here a1, a2 are arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. Now, how to write a differential equation means, this is the formula, shortcut formula. X square y2 minus m plus n minus 1 into xy1 plus mn into y is equal to 0. Students, all of you understood now? And here y is equal to e power alpha x into a1x comma a2. So this equation also same formula. Okay. Now go to the another equation. y is equal to e power alpha x into ax square plus bx plus c. This is the given equation. How to write differential equation means this is the formula. Y3 minus 3 alpha y2 plus 3 alpha square y1 minus alpha cube y is equal to 0. Y is equal to a cos of mx plus b. This is the given equation. How to write a differential equation? This is a shortcut method. Y2 plus m square y is equal to 0. And overall observe that a1, a2, a3, these are arbitrary constants. Y1 means dy by dx, y2 means d square y by dx square. Then what is y3 students? D cube y by dx cube. What is y4? D power 4 y divided by dx power 4. 4 times differentiation. Fourth derivative. Okay. I think all of you understood now. Remember it, these shortcut methods, then you will get the answer within 1 minute. 11th problem. What they are given here? Differential general equation given, that is y is equal to e power 4x plus 2 into e power minus x. But see the differential equation. What is there here? Y3 is there. Y3 means, so we need to do 2 times differentiation. Now I am going to do the differentiation with respect to x one time. What is e power 4x differentiation? 4 into e power 4x plus 2 into e power minus x differentiation minus 2 into e power minus x. Now again do the differentiation second time. What we get here? 16 e power 4x plus 2 into e power minus x. Again do the differentiation with respect to x. Now here we get 64 e power 4x minus 2 into e power minus x. Here this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3, and this is equation 4. But see the question here, the differential equation, observe that there is no y2. They are eliminated y2. How to eliminate the y2? That is important. So here, first I am going to do that y2 plus y3. y2 plus y3. Tell me what we get. That means third and fourth equation I am going to add. So these two is going to cancel or not? Remaining what is there? 64 plus 16, that is 80 e power 4x. Students, are you understood? Now I am going to do that y plus y1. Y plus y1. How to do that? Y plus y1. Here we are getting y2. In this case, once again, see here we are getting y2. So we don't want y2. So go to another method. What we have to do? Tell me. We don't want y2. Then how to do that? So I got thought like this. y1, y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. Observe here, 60 e power 4x will come. Yes or no? At that time, minus 2 e power minus x, minus of minus plus 2 e power minus x, it is going to cancel. Okay. Now do that. y1 plus y. y1 plus y. What happened? Add these two. 4 plus 1. This is 5. 5 e power 4x. E power 4x. Now, this is right like this. y3 minus y1 that is equal to 12 into 5 e power 4x. y3 minus y1, that is equal to 12 into 5 e power 4x value. This is only now, that is y1 plus y. Now y3, right hand side value send left hand side, we get 13y1 minus 12y, that is equal to 0. See the question what they are given, y3 plus ay1 plus by, that is equal to 0. Compare these two, you will get the answer. So tell me what is a value, students? Minus 13. B value? Minus 12. This is the answer. So which option is correct? Minus 13, minus 12, right. Fourth option is correct. Already I am given shortcut formula, use that. Or otherwise, do that 3 times differentiation, then eliminate arbitrary constants. That is a lengthy method. It will take more than 3 minutes. If you know shortcut method, you will get within 1 minute answer. Students completed. Okay, I am going to next question, students. See the next question. Differential equation whose solution is y is equal to e power 3x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So how to do this problem? How to do this problem? Once go back, see the formula, what they are given shortcut. Where is the shortcut formula? This is y is equal to e power alpha x into a1 cos beta x plus a2 sin beta x. So this is the formula. y2 minus